right there on the point.
You got the runway down?
I do.
Yeah.
Put any interceptor us here, that's what we want.
10 miles to run, flaps at 5.
Okay. We go 15 now.
Right at the
That's
house.
Palmyra right there. Yeah, the house.
Flaps
Right there.
15.
Yeah, quick turnaround.
Let's see if this thing
That
will.
little knob on the left, I think.
It says capture. Let's see if it does. If not, I'm going to hit the autopilot.
If the VOR course is coming across here.
Okay. We're going right over the Palmyra. Oh, we're done.
Oh, you want to go over it?
No, we're good.
Right.
Good side 9, we're clear down to 2200.
Okay. Thanks.
Well, it intercepts that good. Oh, that's nice.
200 to 60 maybe.
Okay. I'll see if the VNAV's working good. It looks like it
VIP
is.
touchdown and VIP rollout.
All right. That's my goal. Just get a wind check before we land.
Okay. Yeah, we sent this over to tower.
Okay. And we'll go gear down. Alright, seems like it's slowly bringing us correctly.
Ron's got his dead set.
Yeah, I'm just using the LDO.
Landing gear down 3 green, engineer.
Down 3 green.
Down 3 green. Flaps 25, 30 to go.
That's 30.
30 green light before landing check is complete. Happy airplane. On Vazzy, ground speed 136. Dead on Vazzy. Onto Lion at 131. 1,000. The computer matches the airport winds 10 knots, just slightly from the left down the runway though. That's the speed. 30, green, clear line. Setting up the land roll nicely. Ground speed 128 to 130. Log shows the wind down to 9 knot headwind. Ground speed 128. More landing check is completed. Configuration checks good. On Vazzy,
500.
just here low
Minimum.
side of the Vazzy, which is good. Ground speed 126.
On speed, second
Wind at 7 knots. Slightly low on Vazzy, looking good. Windsock's down the runway, 7 knots.
300.
Got a little bit of a flat. Good. Ground speed 127.
200.
The wind is consistent at 7 knots. Ground speed 128.
100.
127. Wind consistent at 7 knots.
40, 30, 20, 15, 10, 8, 5, 2,
3 lights. Good on speed at 110 already. No strut is down at 100. It's at 90 knots. 80.